What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a nursing home website like this one for free in only 5 minutes. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus. Remember to access WordPress dashboard is your domain plus WP admin and enter with login credentials. You're going to be able to see a page almost like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over appearance and hit the submenu themes. Now click on add theme, and into the upper right corner of your screen, into search themes, you're going to click and type Anzu, just like this. Here is the guide I'm looking for. Click on install, click on activate button. This is going to redirect you to the plugin, to the theme welcome page. First thing, we're going to install the essential plugins. We have Borderless, click on install, return, and we have Elementor. Click on install, return. Activate Borderless, activate Elementor. Now, you're going to be able to find into the submenus on Anzu the option templates. You can click on it. Elementor used to redirect you to the Elementor create account page. Okay, you can just leave it empty in the case you don't want, or you can continue as a guest. Elementor gonna try to understand more about you. You can skip the steps, skip again, and skip. Or you can simply go back to your WordPress dashboard, okay? There's no need to do every single step of the Elementor setup. It can be quite annoying. Let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Now, go to the Borders option and hit the submenu Library. Right here, you're going to be able to find a couple of pre-built websites that you can import for free without needs of creating accounts or any complicated things like Elementor asks. Scroll down and you're going to be able to find the nursing home. You can preview or import. Let's click on import. Click on import again. It's done. Let's visit the site. Here is the final result. The site looking exactly as a ready website, and in the case that you want to customize something, all you have to do is click on Edit with Elementor, and you're going to be able to load the Elementor editor to play with your contents. Change images, change texts, change button links, anything that you want. You may be asking yourself about the pages right here. These are on the WordPress menu. Okay, it's very simple to work with. But imagine the following scenario. You would like to change this text. All you have to do is click on it and change the text. The button, you can click on the button and apply a link to the button, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!